So while the zucchini's cooking, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take all my zucchini peels, put them in my food processor that we peeled off the zucchini. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ends of the zucchini and I'm going to by hand grate them. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to grate the zucchini. I'm going to put this on and get that all pureed. And then we're going to make homemade zucchini bread with chocolate chips. This is Paula, and here is the shredded zucchini and the peels that I put in my food processor. This is about 2 cups. That's what you need to make zucchini chocolate chip bread. You need 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of sugar. 4 eggs that I put in my food processor, and I'm going to add it to the sugar. Okay. And you can use a spatula to get out all the eggs. Okay. So then you're going to mix that up. The sugar. Let me see if you can see this. The sugar with the egg. Mix it all up. All right. So that's good. Now I took 3 cups of flour, 1 big tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And I mixed that all up in my flour. Plus what I did is I had some ground vanilla. I didn't use the liquid one. I used the ground vanilla, and I put that in with the dry mix. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add the oil to the egg and the sugar. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stir that up. Okay. And what you can do is you can just add a little bit at a time. And once it's all stirred up, we'll add our next ingredient. We mix the eggs, the oil, and the sugar, and the flour we put in with the cinnamon, the vanilla, the salt, that was in the flour mixture, the baking soda and baking powder. Okay, so now we're going to add our zucchini to the mix. Okay, I'm going to stir that up. And what I did is I decided to do a bundt pan. So the measuring cup that had the oil in it, I just took a paper towel and I greased this bundt pan with that extra oil that was at the bottom of the pan, the bottom of the measuring cup. All right, so I'm mixing this up. As you can see, you can definitely tell it's a zucchini bread. And now I'm going to add a half a cup of diced walnuts with that knife my mother gave me, and a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, and then I'm going to mix that up, and I'm going to put it in this pan. I'm going to put it at 350 degrees, and when we come back, okay, so here we have it. I took the zucchini chocolate chip bread out, and I had a little extra batter, and I made a little loaf pan. So we're waiting on the zucchini sauce and cheese, the zucchini parm. When that's done, I'll show you that. So here is the zucchini chocolate chip walnut bread, and it was delicious, my husband said, and I tried it and it was delicious. So there you go. There's the bundt cake. So until next time.